Hello, everybody. This is Max Farrell. This is DexFxMarkets.com. Today is March 1st, 2019, and this is your weekly wrap-up. Now, that was definitely a week. I don't know about you, but this week has been really, really challenging, but also very, very informative. Let's just get right into it. Let's look over and look at the daily signals for the week. Again, we had a pretty huge week with it being the end of the month. We had one giant news pack hit us. Let me see if I can find it. I think it was on the 26th that it happened. Let me see if I can find it. Come on. I know. I'm cycling through all the green looking for when. There it is. There's the big hit. That's the big punch in the face right there. Look at all that sea of green you get with all these wins. And this one was a big day because there was a lot of stuff happened. You had a news pack that happened at 8:30 and at 10:30 that pushed the signals around so far. And I warned people prior to. So don't be too afraid. But a lot of people got warned, and some people still went in and they did their thing. Some took ATMs, some took OTMs, and all that kind of stuff with the hope that it could shift. And they were very, very close. The winners didn't lose by very much, and in fact, this buy here actually won just by a micro pip. And of course, this one lost, and this one lost, and this one definitely lost. But the one Euro Great Britain pound, just because of the difference, or Euro USD. Just because of the difference of the indicative to the buy on our spot Forex here, took the win. Our OTM signals, of course, because of the 26th, took a big hit, but reclaimed a lot of great wins from the 27th. There's some really good wins on that one. So again, I teach you not to take. You didn't take all of these trades that happened for the OTMs, but our ATMs also on the 26th did take a hit. But for the week, for the 27th, the 28th, and the 1st, oh boy, big, huge return. Big, huge return. So yeah, you're going to have bad days, but you're going to have great days. That's the way it goes. We also started release our new TNT challenge is releasing, was supposed to release today, may be releasing Sunday night. You can get in early. There's a link in this video and on this page to be able to get into our TNT challenge. And what is a TNT challenge, you ask? I'm glad you asked. Well, the TNT challenge is something simple. We want to give you an opportunity to trade our TNT strategy, our trend negate trade system, free of charge. But there's some stuff you got to do for it, right? You got to help us. It's quid quo pro, right? So you can get a free trial for the month, try stuff out, but you got to provide us charge. You got to show that you're doing training. You got to do all this stuff. If you don't want to do that, we'll give you a discount. We'll give you $50 off. So that's coupons. Coupons are all in this video as well. So you can check that out. What does it look like? It looks pretty dang cool, I got to tell you. Let's get right over there right now. It kind of looks like our TNT charge that normally everybody gets. It's like a full membership. But all your trainings here, your Dex chats here, spreadsheets on the trades that I have done, they're here. Yeah, it's that powerful. I know. You're welcome. So there's a link in there. But whether you're trading on Nadex or you're trading on Forex, it can work on both. It can work on spreads. It works on binaries. It works on these 10 pairs. It could probably work on just about everything in the system. So I got to keep that in mind. Our signals, daily signals went great. Daily extremes, the spreads, the systems went really well. Thor had a great week this week, but he's been in trading the TNT in that solution. Now, let's take a quick break over to our bot garden and have a look to see how did everything go this week. And we're gonna talk about some oops, I did it again mentality. All right, our step bot itself did really good this week overall, but I had something that happened, and I'm not embarrassed to say that mistakes do happen, things happen, but clearly the software itself, when the copy system, I made a change to the copy system of the bot, and I changed a variable. And when I changed a variable, it prematurely closed out a trade for a loss, which gave us an even day, not an up day. See, all these days are up days. All these days are up days. There's not one single down day. Still not one single down day, which is awesome, by the way. We haven't lost one single trade pack until yesterday out of 17 years worth of data, 2 years worth of testing and demo, and 1.5 years testing in live forward testing. So, yeah, leave it to me to ruin a good streak, right? But that's where he comes in. $374 won so far since December 5th. Remember, this is the lowest of the lowest possible process on there. 0.02 microlots per trade. We don't trade anything more than that. And look at this success rate. Okay, tremendous. Look at the drawdown. Tremendous. If you're wondering, oh Max, this can't be true because I see it on a demo. It can't be true. Come on, Max. Show me the live stuff. Where's the live stuff, Max? Live stuff's right here. Okay, so for all you naysayers thinking, oh Max, it's on demo. You can't be live. There you go. Be quiet now. Go get your money. Let's go. Come on. All of our copy system is in demo. It will always remain in demo. You'll be copying the bot system from the demo to a live. That's what this gentleman does, right? That's what happens here. This is our step bot system for them. Okay. Probably wondering, does it work on a larger scale? Yes, it does. This is where we copy over and we trade at 0.08 microlots, and this will increase as we go. As this number gets up into the first turn up, will be at 1,000. We're gonna have a big party when we bring it up another notch. Remember, every notch we bring up increases our volume amount and increases our compounding structure. And you can kind of see this is with interest and commissions and everything else on here, so you can see that it works. It really does work. It's very, very powerful. Oh, if you're wondering, does it work in Oanda? Yes, it does. Even on the step bot trial stuff, it definitely works on Oanda. We don't get stopped out. Sometimes you get the bot gets a little premature with closing stuff out altogether, but it's regulated for Oanda with FIFO as well as no hedging, right? This works on every single broker. So I stopped messing around, okay? We also committed to a few other things. The Profit Bot, which was out for a while. Again, it hasn't started off yet for the solution because there's still some trades on that are maturing. Of course, when these trades go, they mature within that process. So the Profit Bot's doing pretty good. It's still in an upward trend. We had a little downward hit. Again, not everything's perfect like the Step Bot, but boom, there we go. We also adopted a new system, what we refer to as the Profit or the Bucket Bot, which has been doing really well in profit margins. Now, because it does a particular type of trading that's sort of similar to the Step Bot, but uses a bigger bucket and a lot more trades that happen. Some trades stay active longer than others, so we create this negative draw in pips because the increase of lots happen. Don't try to wrap your head around it just yet. Just know that the Step Bot works very, 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 very well. If you're trading Forex and you want this thing to trade for you while you're learning how to trade the TNT stuff or the daily signals or whatever it is, this is your way to go. All right. That's it. That's all I got for you. I think that's pretty much it. If you're a member already, then you should be doing pretty good. If you're not, please head off to the pricing page and get started immediately, because I got to tell you, if you're not inside this system working to figure out, if you want to learn how to trade, if you are really trying to make some money, there's a whole bunch of things that we have inside. Also, if you want to make some money and help us bring more people on, there's money to be made from that as well. We have a reoccurring system that's 30% paid monthly. It's incredible. You can make a tremendous amount of money helping other people come to the network to learn how to make money. And it's that simple. So you can trade or you can sell. It doesn't matter. We have systems on both sides to be able to help you. We're not an MLM. We're a direct sale network company, and we've been in business for 5 years. In this industry, that's almost a miracle, right? All right. I'm Max Farrell. This is DexFxMarkets.com. I look forward to seeing you next time. And as always, trade well.